nje bazawuhamba. Asiboyiki. Niyaboyika. We were voted by the majority of people. This metro.
Tunafanya program yetu mwanzo. Nikona uongozi. Executive Mayor kama yetu. Tunayo office fraternity. Olileke. Kama mapambi kama nini.
So as the EFF for a year.
Very much important, speaks to our programs of improving our tourism. This is a tourist attraction. We believe with this facelifting of our marine parade, it will create more opportunities. I'm happy that business is welcoming this with warm hearts, Osnas and others, because it has been bad to have a facility like this not well developed. So we're looking forward for more business opportunities. We've seen it where we've done infrastructure like this, business growing and growing and growing. So we're quite happy. Our numbers are growing up on tourism. They will grow more. It's going to be quite attractive to people, to tourists. So we market cities. Tourism is about marketing cities. East London must be aggressive in marketing itself as a East London, as well as Buffalo City. So we're quite happy with this kind of work that has been happening. With all other issues that would have to be explained by those who are in the authorities here, but we are quite happy we see something like this. People of Buffalo City deserve something like this. People of East London deserve something like this. People of Eastern Cape, because this area is not only for people of Buffalo City. Here in festive season, people who come here are people who are coming all over the show. So we are quite happy with the work that has been done here. Thank you.
Thank you. What's happened here, and it's definitely going to have a positive impact on our business going forward. So we're very excited about this whole development and very pleased that it happened on the beachfront on this particular site.
As Buffalo City Municipality, we are very excited because the park is finally open. When I started as an executive mayor 6 months ago, one of my tasks was to open this park. And today I am happy to say that finally this park is open, and it's named after a very brave young lady called Leandre Baby Lee Yahels. She's a bantamweight champion. She played many different sporting codes, including karate. Today we remember her memory, making sure that every young girl in Buffalo City will remember Baby Lee Yahels, that men must not kill us as women and children. This is a place where even moms can come and relax. You know, sometimes our work is stressful, so you come here and enjoy yourself. This facility is open to the public of Buffalo City. As you can see, and I'm meaning that the impact this recreational center will have for future generations want to encourage the residents of Buffalo City to look after the facility. It's their facility, and we must embrace this moment as a city.
So, Mayor Siyaba, ukuba le ndawo behamba yakhona sike, into endifuna uyazi ukuba what was the delay?
There were some delays in the project. You know, sometimes you appoint a service provider and they don't meet your requirements, and then you have to reappoint a service provider. So there were